We'll guide you through how to fix there's been an error in the Microsoft Store. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. This can be really annoying because you're trying to go and download and install an app and you're then just getting this message. So you're then unable to go and download it. We're going to guide you through how you can go about fixing this, so make sure it is full guide, step by step, and hopefully you'll be able to go and have it fixed and be able to go and download and install the app. So to get started, close off the store like so. Then what you can try doing is going down to the bottom and press search, and you want to go and type in Task Manager like this. What you can then do is go and type in Store, and if you see anything about Microsoft Store, go and select it and press End Task. That's now ended, and then what you can do is you can go and close it. Now you want to go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in Services, wait for this to go and open up. Now you want to go and scroll down here, and you're looking for M for Microsoft, so we'll come down. And then what you're looking for is Microsoft Store Install Service. You want to go and double click on it here. You want to make sure the startup type is set to automatic, and you want to make sure it's currently running. If it isn't, press start, but if it is currently running, you can press stop, wait for this to go and stop, and then just wait a few seconds. We'll press start again and wait for this to go and start. Now it is, and you can press apply, press OK, and then you can close it. And the next thing you then want to try doing is going down to the bottom and press search, type in settings, or you can go and just press the start button and open up settings this way. Go over to the left and you need to go and find the option for apps, and you want to go and tap there. You want to go and find installed apps, and then what you want to do is press system components. You may not be able to click that immediately, so otherwise you can go and scroll down on the right holding the line. This can take a long time, so it's easier to go and drag down with this little widget on the right. Then you can press system components, and in here you can go and find the Microsoft Store. You can go and search for it, but it should be pretty easy to find. There's not many. Press the three dots to the right and press advanced options. Scroll down and you can go and press terminate. Then you want to go into reset and you can press repair. Wait for it to complete. Then you can go and find reset. Press reset. You confirm your decision that you're deleting the system components data on this device. I've done this before to resolve it. It's fine. Go and press reset. Wait for it to complete, then we can go and close out of this. And you want to press the search at the bottom and go and type in run. Open this up, and in here you then want to go and type in ws reset, all one word, .exe. Then you can go and press OK or press enter. This will go and run, and the store should go and open up. Now we should be able to go and download apps, and the problem should now go and be resolved. So for example here, I can do this with Discord. We can then successfully go and install it, and hopefully the problem's resolved for you as well. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos, covering the Microsoft Store, Windows, and many other devices and operating systems as well. I look forward to help you again soon. Goodbye for now.